The country of China has a very unequal distribution of rainfall. The south receives more precipitation, while the north receives very little. The country is very dependent on irrigation to move water from the mountains to the plains, especially for agricultural purposes. As the climate changes, the decreasing precipitation is putting an even greater strain on the people of China. With lots of people and industry, but not a lot of water, they have some important decisions to make. Investing in more expansive and efficient irrigation systems seems to be inevitable. China has one of the oldest and only surviving no-dam irrigation systems in the world. It's called Zhujianga and is honored as the treasure of Sichuan. Due to the uneven distribution of water, it's needed to prevent rivers from flooding and transporting water to farmland on the plains. It provides water resources for more than 50 cities in the province. This ancient irrigation method is beloved but not as efficient as needed to combat the growing consequences of climate change. Water-saving irrigation is one effective measure to deal with the water scarcity and food security issues caused by climate change. Through water-saving irrigation practices, water saved from 2007 to 2009 added up to a total of 61.82 to 129.66 10 to the ninth power meters cubed, which accounted for 5.6 to 11.8% of the national total water consumption. Total energy saved was equal to 9.59 to 20.85 megatons of standard coal, and total CO2 emissions were reduced by 21.83 to 47.48 megatons of CO2. These types of adaptations will be needed across the world to conserve our resources to the best of our abilities moving forward.